Bablu TV.
Hi kids, welcome back to Bablu TV. Today we are going to write capital and small alphabets. So let's start now. Capital A and small a. This is capital A. What is this? Capital A. This is small a. What is this? Small a. Now capital B and small b. This is capital B. What is this? Capital B. Now small b. This is small b. Capital and small c. This is capital C. Now small c. And this is small c. Capital and small d. This is capital D. And now we are going to write small d. This is small d. Capital and small e. This is capital E. This is small alphabet E. Capital and small alphabet F. This is capital F. And this is small alphabet F. Capital and small G. This is capital G. What is this? Capital G. And this is small alphabet G. Capital and small H. This is capital H. What is this? This is capital H. This is small alphabet H. Capital and small alphabet I. This is capital I. And this is small I. Capital and small J. This is capital J. And this is small alphabet J. Capital and small K. This is capital K. And this is small k. Capital and small L. This is capital L. This is small alphabet L. Capital and small m. This is capital M. And this is small m. Capital and small N. This is capital N. And this is small n. Capital and small O. This is capital O. And this is small o. Capital and small P. This is capital P. And this is small p. Capital and small q. This is capital Q. Small q. Capital and small R. This is capital R. And this is small r. Capital and small S. This is capital S. And this is small alphabet S. Capital and small T. This is capital T. And this is small t. Capital and small U. This is capital U. This is small u. Capital and small V. Capital V. And this is small v. Capital and small W. This is capital W. This is small w. Capital and small X. This is capital X. And this is small x. Now capital and small Y. This is capital Y. And this is small y. Capital and small Z. This is capital Z. And this is small z.
Thank you.